Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how long to learn machine learning, step by step. First, grasp the essential mathematical foundations, including linear algebra and calculus, which are crucial for understanding algorithms. Next, master a programming language like Python, as it's the industry standard for machine learning development. Finally, dive into the core machine learning algorithms, understanding how they work and when to apply them effectively. Once you have the basics, it's time to develop intermediate skills. Actively practice with diverse, real-world datasets to apply the algorithms you've learned, which is vital for practical understanding. Consider exploring specialized fields like deep learning or natural language processing to broaden your expertise. Building small, focused projects will significantly solidify your knowledge and provide valuable hands-on experience. To truly master machine learning, delve into advanced concepts such as reinforcement learning and efficient model deployment strategies. Participating in online competitions, like those on Kaggle, offers an excellent way to test and refine your problem-solving abilities under pressure. Collaborating on open-source projects also provides invaluable team experience and exposes you to diverse coding practices and real-world challenges. Machine learning is a rapidly evolving field, so continuous learning is key. Regularly read new research papers and follow industry trends to stay at the forefront of innovation. Networking with other professionals can open doors to new opportunities and provide fresh perspectives. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.